How to fix archived stories missing or not working on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. For one step, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram. Go to your Play Store or your App Store if you are using iOS, then simply search for Instagram. If there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of Instagram. Next, locate your Instagram application and then tap and hold on it. Now go to App Info. After that, go to its storage section and then tap on Clear Cache. So that should fix your problem. Sometimes the problem is from the backend or the server, and if that is the case, all you have to do is wait and it will fix on its own. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.